Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Airtable for insurance policy and endorsement workflows, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate Airtable for insurance policy and endorsement workflows, first, visit Airtable's website and create an account. Once registered, log into your Airtable dashboard. Next, click on the Add a Base button to start a new project. Choose the option to start from scratch for complete customization. Name your new base something like Insurance Workflows for easy identification. Now, begin by creating a table for insurance policies. In the first column, label it Policy Number and set the field type to single line text. Add a second column for insured name with the same field type. The next column should be Policy Type, which can also be set as a single select type for various option choices. Create a column named Start Date and set it to the Date field type. You might want to add another column for endorsements where you can apply a multiple select field type. Once your columns are set up, populate the first few rows with sample data for clarity. Next, define your workflow by adding another table for endorsements. Label the new table Endorsements to keep everything organized. In this table, add essential columns such as Endorsement ID, Associated Policy, and Description. For the Associated Policy column, link it to the Policy Number column from your Insurance Policies table. This setup creates a relational database, allowing for seamless integration between policies and endorsements. Now, to enhance automation, explore Airtable's Automations feature found in the dashboard. Click on Automations and then create an automation to initiate a new workflow. Set your trigger, such as when a new record is added to your endorsements table. Next, define the action to send an email notification or alert for relevant stakeholders. Test the automation to ensure it functions as intended. You may also want to customize views for better organization. Create a Kanban view to track the status of insurance policies. Consider building a calendar view to visualize policy start and end dates. Lastly, remember to regularly review and update your tables for accuracy. With these steps, you are now equipped to activate Airtable for your insurance policy and endorsement workflows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.